Okay, fidget trading with Miss Bench, part 1. Oh my gosh, sorry. Hey, can we fidget trade? Of course, I love fidget trading. You can go first. Okay. My perfect time to scam her. I really don't know what to add. Anything. Okay, I'm gonna add my Neato, my color changing Neato, and my, nice ice baby Neato. Okay, I'm going to add this jellyfish squishy. Can you please add? Sure, I'll add this Neato swirl. I'll accept. Can you add? Yeah, sure. I'll add this, this squishy croissant. Accept. I accept. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Oh, I'm not gonna mind. We just, saw that. Oh my gosh, this is not even a real Neato. What the heck? This is not even a real Neato. What the heck? Oh my gosh, whatever. I have more chances. Because guess what? You scammed me! Why'd you do that? I'm so sorry. I thought that was real. So sorry. You thought that was real. Okay. I'm gonna offer this Neato donut, and it's actually a Neato. I'm gonna offer my Neato jellyfish and my pink Neato jellyfish, but you're going to need to add because these are very rare. Ooh, I love jellyfish. I can't wait to add this to my collection. Yeah. I'm gonna add my Neato gummy bear. And can you add, these are very rare. And my Tangle. And then I'll also add this mochi. Oh, never mind. Accept. I accept. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm gonna offer this rip-off Neato. Offering this Neato, what do you have to offer? I'm gonna offer this, pink color changing Neato as well. I accept. Me too. Hurry. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, you scammed me again. Stop acting like you don't know that you scammed me. Like, actually, you're making me mad. Well, I didn't scam you. Oh my gosh, I'm tired of this. I'm getting out of the shop. Good luck.